caramel cupcake is on the menu today.
So excited for this one, and it is super simple as all of our recipes are. But we are going to start by preheating the oven to 350.
That's a good place to start.
Normally where we don't start, but we're learning. We're gonna just spray down a glass baking dish with some nonstick spray.
I'm gonna get the cake started over here. So just using 1 box of spice cake.
So this is so simple. You're basically just making the cake according to the box instructions. The only difference is adding the 1 can of pumpkin puree, and then you're gonna add, normally it says 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. We're doing 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Other than that, it's exactly how the instructions are written on the box. And then you're cooking it between 23 and 28 minutes, depending on your oven. Which Tracy's got that power oven.
I got the power.
Mine, not so much. Our cake is ready.
Mismatched.
That's how we roll.
Yeah.
Oh, delish.
So you want to start poking your holes in the cake when it is hot. Salty. So I'm going to start poking and Jenny is going to start mixing.
Okay, so you can make your own icing, but that's just a lot of effort. So what we're gonna do to make it simply homemade is use cream cheese, icing that's already made, and then just mix it with 1 little pack of Cool Whip.
What size pack is it? 8 ounce?
8 ounce. So you can just get this going in a bowl. Tracy is poking holes in our cake, and we're gonna drizzle some caramel on it.
Oh, seep right into those holes.
Like that, it shouldn't even sound. It just, yeah. We left the Cool Whip out for a little bit just so it's not frozen. It'll be easier to mix that way.
We're gonna start drizzling the caramel sauce right into the holes.
Get them in the hole.
So you just want to give it a really good drizzle.
Oh,
You want it to get down deep in the holes.
let it seep in to the cake.
The cake holes. Because this is gonna keep the cake super moist. I don't even mean it. Just leave it to cool.
Just leave it to cool, and then we're gonna top it with the frosting and be ready to eat it. We are ready to top it.
So our cake has cooled. Jenny's going to top it with our delicious icing. Easy enough. I'm not even getting anything to spread it with. Just a spoon, 1 utensil. Nice and easy.
Oh,
I see the gooiness just oozing those
poke holes. The pokies. That is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Like, that is like...
It is so
Uh,
moist, and the
I can't
caramel
even
comes
talk.
through all the way to the bottom. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You'll get the newest updates when they come out. Easy recipes, dinners, desserts, breakfast. You want it, we got it.
We got it. I'm in a poop.